Building connected devices is hard enough, but once you've got your device running, the really hard work begins. How do you make it easy for your users to get onto the network, or interact with it from mobile apps or your web service, or even give other developers the ability to include it in more apps and services? Hi, I'm Timothy Jordan, and this is an introduction to Weave. Weave helps you focus on adding intelligence into the user experience in two ways. By giving you all the building blocks you need for communicating with your devices directly or through the cloud, and by providing a common language for your app or service to use across all of a user's devices. Specifically, Weave provides a protocol for device discovery, provisioning, authentication, and interaction. This protocol is implemented across a device-side library, mobile SDKs, and a web service that enables remote interactions. A Weave implementation typically involves three components. First, the device itself. This is what ends up on store shelves. You'll add Weave functionality by including a library that handles a lot of the implementation details, such as the protocol. This makes it easy for you to let your users interact with your device locally or remotely. And by the way, the integration is easiest if you use the Brillo operating system, where the Weave library is built in and maintained directly. Once you've integrated the library, you'll add support for a schema, which are commands in state that are common for your device type and customized or extended for your product in particular. This makes it easy for apps and services to interact with your device. And if you're not building a device, don't worry. You can still build apps and services that use Weave to make device interactions easier. We'll get to that in a minute. Next, the cloud service. This enables communication between the user and the device when they're not in proximity or on the same network. And you don't have to write any specific code for this. It's already handled for you by the Weave library. Oh, and because this is in place, you can see aggregated metrics in the developer console to help you better understand your universe of devices. And finally, there are client apps and services on the user's mobile phone, desktop, or the web. These are where your users go to set up and interact with your devices. Now, the setup experience is quick and easy. The user can initiate a secure setup experience common to all Weave devices that works from both Android and iOS. It's especially nice on Android because the flow ends with the option to install your app. After setup, if you want your app or service to talk to your device, all you need to do is use the local or cloud API. They'll allow you to communicate with the device to get state or send commands, whether from the same network or halfway around the world. One more thing. Your apps and services can communicate with Weave devices made by other developers too, using the same standardized schemas. This makes it easy to build richer experience around your devices and how they fit into users' lives, regardless of the underlying hardware, make, or model. And that's a quick overview of Weave, its components, and how they fit together. We're excited to see what you'll build with it. Here's a link to help you get started today. Oh, and please be sure to send us feedback so that together we can make Weave the easiest way to connect all the things.